I think I'm the perfect candidate for this job. Here's a list of my work experience.
You're head of Zord maintenance.
For now, I think I'm definitely ready to take a step up and work in the lab.
Okay, well, at the moment, I'm developing all sorts of new equipment.
Like what?
Cheetah claws for the Red Ranger. They're enhanced with cheetah DNA.
Let's go, little bro!
Ben and Betty are testing them right now.
I hope you're ready for this. First up, lettuce.
Tomatoes. Pepper.
Nice. That's it.
I don't know if it can beat a Robotron, but it can sure whip up a delicious salad. Just need some dressing.
Oh, here, catch.
Sorry about that. Tasty.
Looks like you could use an assistant with some real training. Those two are a mess.
Thanks, Megan. Nate's hoping to choose a lab assistant really soon.
Thanks for coming in.
See ya. Next, please.
Hello.
One way or the other, I'm gonna be Nate's next assistant.
Great. Thanks so much. Hey, Nate.
Hey, Zoe.
You're waiting to see Nicky Rev's new movie, Revenge of the Hydra Worm?
Yeah.
Me too.
You like the Hydra Worm movies? Oh, amazing. Cheesy sci-fi film is just what I need to unwind. Looking for an assistant is exhausting. I really appreciate your help, though.
No problem. So, I guess we'll see it together?
Phenomenal.
Awesome.
And I teleported out of there like lightning. Vargoyle missed me by that much.
Story time's over. Meet my new Robotron.
Oh, not again.
That's just another Tubatron.
I'm Tubatron 2.0.
What's changed?
Nothing.
Huh?
Yet. See, your plan to power up Tubatron failed. But mine won't. Because I found something very interesting.
Hey, you stole that!
Back off, cockroach!
What have you found?
Whatever they are, they're full of crazy energy.
Those are Fury cells. They're the last ones in the universe. I'm warning you.
Silence. I can feel their immense energy. It would be foolish not to use them. Power up the Robotron and destroy the Rangers.
That's the plan. Master E-Box.
And the part with the eyeball?
Yeah, that was scary.
Like the Hydra Worm? Can I have some popcorn?
Are those two on a date?
Hold on.
But Rangers dating Rangers is against the rules. This is too perfect.
Okay, open up. Almost. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Here, it's kind of chilly.
Oh. Thanks.
Let's go.
The commander said the alert came from this plaza.
Robotron! Hey, that looks just like the last one.
Kudos to them for recycling.
Oh, you won't be making jokes when we trash you losers. Meet the power of a Fury Cell.
That thing he calls a Fury Cell powered up the Robotron.
I don't know what you're up to, but know this. Smorphin' time!
Activate beast power.
Unleash the beast! Oh, I'm unleashed!
scared.
Never!
Get those fury cells! Transport! Beast that saber! Together! You're nothing special, Tuba.
Wanna bet?
Robbie!
Get back here!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I don't think I can say the same about my saber, though.
That Fury Cell. It made the Robotron ultra powerful.
Yeah, this is bad.
Tronics!
No way we're letting you keep those cells! Now look out!
Let go!
Steel!
No!
Bro, now's your chance!
Hey! Sorry, that's just how I roll.
That's mine!
Was yours, now it's ours.
Not for long.
Let me play you my solo! And now for the chorus!
No! My helmet!
And that's not the only thing I'll shatter!
Power Rangers.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
It's morphin' time.
For justice we fight, with peace, morphin' light. Together we rise. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers!
Power Ranger Peace Morphers.
Here, I'll give you a hand. You're gonna need it. Don't worry, there's nothing you can do to stop me.
Oh, yeah? We'll see. Catch this! Great timing, Cruz. You really saved me there.
Don't worry, I've always got your back.
Devin!
Are you okay?
Yeah, but he's tough.
You haven't seen tough.
Look out!
We gotta pull out now. Cruz, take Zoe and Robbie.
Hey, this concert's just begun.
Go! I'm right behind you.
Hey! Oh, I was gonna do a remix.
We need all the Fury cells.
Then let's get rid of this avatar.
Saber charged.
Striker Beast Slash!
Come on, Blaze. Give up.
You will never get my Fury cells. Soul Rangers.
He still has two. This isn't good. This wasn't like anything we've come across before, Commander. That powered-up Robotron broke our gear like it was nothing.
If we go up against it again, we're toast. Unless we get an edge.
Steel and I captured one of Blaze's Fury cells. If they could get extra power out of this thing, maybe we can too. I could try and power up some armor. It might be enough to stop that Robotron.
Get all your resources on it. Put that new assistant to work. Dismissed.
So, which assistant did you hire?
Honestly, I didn't hire one yet. You're a better judge of character than I am. Can you pick one for me? Fast?
Sure, no problem.
I can always count on you. Thanks, Zoe.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Hey, I noticed that you and Nate really have a special connection, don't you?
Excuse me?
I just want to show you something real quick.
Okay.
You know, I'm a Hydra Worm fan, too.
You recorded us?
It just looked like a nice little date that you and Nate were on, is all.
A date? No, we were just at the same movie.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm sure you've read the Grid Battle Force Handbook, Section 42C, which clearly states
Rangers can't date Rangers. I know.
So, I'm gonna make this real simple for you. Either you make sure I'm Nate's new assistant, or I show this video to the commander and you and your boyfriend are in big trouble.
You're blackmailing me?
No, I'm just looking for a job.
This calibration is coming along.
It's so exciting to finally be out of Zord maintenance and working in the lab.
Thanks, Zoe. She recommended you. Let's hope this Fury cell is powerful enough to activate the armor I'm programming.
Okay, these claws are ready for testing at full power.
Great. Do one at a
I just
time.
had a question about your calculations. They seem a little high. Isn't it dangerous to use too much Morphex?
Trust me, my numbers are right. Put 1/2 bottle into that claw, not a drop more.
Half a bottle? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, you're the boss. Oops.
This claw is good to go.
Phenomenal. Testing in 3, 2, 1. What?
I think it's overloading.
That's impossible.
Nate, what do we do? Watch out! Watch out! We got this!
Here it comes!
Are you guys okay?
Just a little dizzy.
We almost had.
It's not your fault at all. Nate had me use too much Morphex.
Excuse me? My math was perfect. It's gotta be something else.
That's not what it looks like. Ben and Betty could have been seriously injured. The rules say I have to report this to the commander.
I rechecked the calculations and I tried to tell Nate that it would be too much power, but he would not listen.
That doesn't sound like Nate. Zoe, can you get Nate for me?
Sure. I can. But what exactly is going on?
Ben and Betty were almost seriously hurt because of Nate. Commander, he's clearly a good ranger, but handling the science lab at the same time? That's too much for anyone. I'd humbly suggest that you let me take charge of the lab.
You, as our chief scientist.
If you want to avoid these kinds of dangerous mistakes.
Not so fast, Megan. I checked the Morphex levels, and this claw was massively overfueled. I told you to use half, but I found this in the trash. You used the whole bottle on purpose.
On purpose? I resent that.
Oh, save it. The only thing I don't understand is why you chose her.
I'm sorry, Nate. Commander, this is all my fault. I did recommend her, but only because she was blackmailing me to get the job.
That's absurd. She's covering for him because I saw her and Nate on a date at the movies, and she knows it's against the rules.
Zoe and me on a date?
Oh, don't deny it. I recorded them on video.
That's enough. You recorded them and threatened to make it public just to get a job?
Well, that makes it sound terrible.
It's beyond terrible. What kind of a security? Pack up and get out. Now.
Commander, it was a coincidence that we were both at the movie. It wasn't a date, right, Zoe?
I believe you, Nate.
Robotron contact in Sector Alpha 14. It's the new Tubatron again.
Copy.
It's crunch time. Nate, you have anything?
The armor should be programmed correctly. We're calling it Red Fury mode.
Red Fury mode. That's great.
Maybe, but thanks to Megan, it hasn't been tested at all.
We don't have time.
It will work, Nate. I can feel it in my CPU.
Good luck, Rangers.
Thanks. May just need it.
Lots of screaming civilians, which should mean that any second now...
Activate beast power!
Did we keep you waiting?
So you're back for another taste of my fury power!
No thanks. We've got our own. Transport! Check out our Fury Cell.
Impossible!
Really? Watch this. Activate Red Fury mode! Whoa. Nate, is that it?
There's more. Give it a sec.
Time's up!
He's gonna blast!
We'll cover you. Okay.
Supersonic blast!
Come on. That's more like it. It's working. Hold on! Almost there. Guys! Whoa! That's it. I feel great. Bro, it worked. Let me see. Now you're not the only one who's all powered up. Unleash the fury! Whoa! Take this! Did you see that?
Yeah.
Didn't you get the memo? That doesn't work on me. Transport, cheetah claws! Time to give you a slashing. Cheetah slash! Huh? Whoa! Yeah, he did it! You know what? Enough tuba. I'm more of a trumpet guy myself.
Scrozzle! Your Fury cells aren't as furious as you thought. The Red Ranger just destroyed that Robotron.
That's because Red used the Fury Cell that you lost! Lucky I have a Gigadrone ready to go! Scrozzle to the rescue! Again!
Morphing Alpha model into Tubatron 2.0.
Here, man.
Nice work, Devin.
You too, Nate. Red Fury mode's out of this world.
Thanks.
What's up, Commander?
Gigadrone detected. Devin, Cruz is almost to your location. We're scrabbling the race sword.
Copy that.
Commander, the sonic blasts hit our gear pretty hard.
Then get back to base. We need to check your equipment for damage.
Don't worry, guys. No damage here. Cruz, we're up, buddy.
Good luck.
Any moment.
Racer Zord, battle mode!
A quick fight's a good fight. Ha! The Morphex Tower! Ah! Our sword!
Don't worry, all systems are still functional.
Good. That drone must not be powered up like that bot was.
Thank goodness.
Transport! Transport! Cheetah Beast Blaster! Let's end this! Racer Zord! Cheetah Strike! Eliminated.
What can I get you?
1 carrot juice, no ice.
Anything else?
I'd like a vitamin rehydrator, please.
Sure thing.
Can I just say, I'm sorry about Megan.
I don't get why you let her blackmail you. We just ran into each other at the movies. We weren't on a date. Were we?
Thing is, I heard you say that you were going to that movie, so I kind of decided to go too, so that we could see it together. I guess for me, it kind of was a date.
Was? We were?
Fact is, I sort of like you. You know?
That's phenomenal, because I sort of like you too.
You do.
Remember those Valentine's Day flowers someone sent you? Well...
That was you? Well, now I feel bad that I didn't get you anything.
And then I said, what robot? You must have me confused with some other specimen.
What are we gonna do?
Because clearly, I am...
It's a tricky one.
Hey, what do you think they're talking about?
Megan said they went on a date.
My brother?
Do you think?
Nah, no way.
No.